Good morning, students. Today we are going to study article writing and how many steps are to be followed in this article writing, and this topic also comes under the section writing skills. So dear students, let us try to understand the steps and tips which are necessary to write the good article. First of all, let us discuss the topic of English article writing format in detail as follows. What is an article? An article is a written work published in a print electronic medium. It may be for the purpose of propagating news, researching results, academic analysis, or debate. Generally, it is a piece of writing that is published in a newspaper or magazine. Format of article writing. What is article writing format? When a student has to attempt a question on article writing, he has to follow the article writing format by CBSE guidelines. Here you can see how to write article writing formats in detail. The format of an article consists of the following parts. Format of article writing, first of all, heading, next byline, and next body. Body means here the main body, main content of the article. Next heading. The heading should be catchy, means attractive, and in not more than 5 or 6 words. You can go as creative as you want with this one. Just make sure you do not devote too much time on it in the examination. Further, byline, it refers to the name of the person writing the article. It is generally given in the question. If not given, then do not write your personal details. Dear students, you have to follow particular note. You are not supposed to mention any of your personal details while attempting the answers in the examination. Next is body. So it is the main part of your writing piece. It generally consists of 3 to 4 paragraphs. Para 1, it is always prescribed that you begin with a short introduction of the topic. It is meaning to be precise. Precise means very concise. Briefly tell what the article is about, giving some quotations or startling facts, means surprising facts, to arouse the interest of the readers. Next, para 2 or para 2 and 3. Now this part can be written in either 1 or 2 paragraphs. You are required to do a complete analysis of the subject matter in question. It may include types. In how many forms does the problem exist? You are required to mention the various possible types if it exists. Current scenario. Then you need to explain the current situation, the problems, if any, and whether after any corrective actions or preventive measures have been taken. You have to write betterment in the situation has been observed or not. Further, it may include advantages, disadvantages depending upon the topic in question. Cause and effect relationship. Develop the cause and effect relationship by supporting it with facts or data. You may also write the consequences. Consequences means results. Any other relevant and related information. So dear students, you can write over here. Further, paragraph 3 or paragraph 4, the conclusion. It is the concluding paragraph. It is important to conclude what you have stated. or started. Never leave an article open-ended. Now, it is to be remembered that wherever you elaborate a problem, you always have to mention the steps being taken to improve and improvise the situation and suggest a few solutions as well. Predictions and personal problems may be included. This paragraph needs to be short and precise. Here also you could add some glitter to your art piece with some quotes. It means some quotes can be written. Dear students, this is the main format. First of all, heading, then byline, then body, para 1, para 2 and para 3. Marking scheme according to CBSE guideline. Format, how many things are to be mentioned? First of all, heading and writer's name, next content, next expression. Expression, how many things to be observed? Grammatical accuracy, appropriateness, words and spellings, coherence and relevance of ideas and style. And next, mark. It means headings and writer's name 1 mark, content 4 marks and expression 5 marks. It is divided into 2.5 each. So, total 10 marks. Dear students, an article writing format examples for you so that you get an idea as to how to attempt CBSE class 12th article writing questions well. Remember, the more you read and practice, the better it is. As per CBSE guidelines, the article should not exceed the prescribed word limit of 150 to 200 words. Dear students, here I am giving you one question with example with correct answer. Question is, grow more trees to reduce pollution. Write an article in 150 to 200 words on the topic given above for your school magazine. You are XYZ of class 12th. XYZ means you can write any name or ABC or even XYZ also. Answer. Main heading is grow more trees to reduce pollution. Here the name is Radhika or XYZ you can write. Then quote is given, trees are poems, the earth writes upon the sky. Trees and plants are one of the main reasons why mankind came into existence. The importance of planting trees has been emphasized time and again. This is because of the numerous benefits they offer. They make the world a better place to live in. They exhale oxygen and inhale carbon dioxide to maintain the ecological balance in the environment. They also absorb all the harmful gases and give us fresh air to breathe. Dear students, trees build a sheet to protect us from the harmful ultraviolet rays. Not only this, they serve as a habitat for birds and various species of animals. This is not it. Trees help in controlling water pollution and preventing soil erosion. The places inhabited by large numbers of trees are quite cooler compared to the concrete jungles that cannot do without air conditioners. Unfortunately, urbanization is leading to clearing of forests and parks despite the numerous benefits they offer. People come here for morning walks, evening strolls, yoga sessions and laughter therapy. These also serve as a safe place for the kids to play and socialize. The only way left to preserve them and reap these benefits is by growing them at a faster rate. As the Chinese proverb states, the best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time is now, so do your bit and make this place more beautiful. Dear students, I think you have understood it very well, and thank you very much.